Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong 2026 yearly reading. Ayan. So ito ay merong tatlong parts, no? So this is part 1, which is the overall energy, and then meron tayong part 2 about your money, career, finances, and then part 3 is about your love life and family. So make sure na kayo nakasubscribe, naka-like, naka-follow para updated kayo sa ating mga readings. Ayan. So paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, ito lang po yung aking account, no? Yung at Mystic Queen PH. Meron kasing mga nagre-re-upload ng videos ko, tapos nagpapanggap na sila yon. So mag-ingat po, hindi ako magme-message sa inyo na una, no? Hindi ako unang magme-message sa inyo para mag-offer ng services, kasi kung interesado kayo sa private reading, meron tayong link sa description kung paano doon kayo magbubook. Okay? So mag-ingat kasi baka ma-scam kayo. Okay? So let's begin. For Cancer, Cancerian, what's the energy for you ngayong 2026? 2026 energy for Cancerians. Change. Uy, ang ganda. May overall change. Yes, your overall energy is about changes. Number 5. Okay. Maaring may pagbabago sa inyong physical appearance, sa inyong buhay, sa inyong trabaho, sa career, sa business. Ka-clarify pa natin yan. Your challenge is your pride. Minsan daw, masyadong mataas ang tingin natin sa ating sarili, o kaya naman yung bang parang yung ego natin ang nauuna. Okay? Minsan mataas ang ego. Let's see what else. Opportunity. Environment. So you have the opportunities to spend more time with nature, sa environment. Pwedeng ito yung lagi kayong lalabas, mag-explore, magta-travel. And then, your blessing is intuition. Ayan, yung instinct nyo, yung intuition nyo is your blessing, dahil yan yung mag-guide sa inyo, no? On which path to take, at kung, anong direksyon ang tatahakin nyo, lalo na pag may mga decision making kayo. Okay. Tingnan pa natin. Let's use some tarot cards for you, Cancer. Overall energy ng mga Cancerian for 2026. Nako, meron ditong the Devil. This is about codependency. So, pwedeng ngayong 2026, may energy of, being codependent with someone. Yung iba naman, this is about mga unhealthy habits. Ayan. Minsan kasi meron tayong mga unhealthy habits na kailangan na nating baguhin. I-let go. So, that's part of the change na gagawin ninyo. 'Di ba? Maganda yan kasi you are changing for the better. What else? The Hierophant. Isa sa ayos mo yung buhay mo. Lalo na kung medyo naging magulo, walang direction. So, ngayong 2026, you will learn more. You will dive deeply. No? Yung tipong meron kang aalamin, pag-aaralan na mga bagong kaalaman, lalo na sa spirituality ninyo. Kasi ang blessing yung intuition, instinct, which is about your spiritual path. Maaari rin merong magme-mentor sa inyo, someone na mapagkakatiwalaan nyo pagdating sa paghingi ng payo, paghingi ng ng guidance, ng insights. Ayan. So, marami ka ng natututunan from your past. Kaya, you are definitely open to change, to transformation ngayong 2026. Now, ano naman yung challenge for Cancer? Alam nyo, make sense. Kasi, this is about rewards, recognition. Mag-reality check lang kayo din. Kasi, ngayong 2026, you will be recognized, no? Maaring ikaw ay magiging sikat, merong success, level of success sa life mo. Kaya lang minsan, pumapasok sa utak natin, no, sa ulo natin, at medyo parang nagiging mayabang tayo, no? Just keep your feet on the ground, 'di ba? And be grateful for the blessings and the success na may experience mo. I mean, may mga tao talagang ganun, pinagdadaanan nyo na minsan they become so excited about what they're getting, ang mga blessings na natatanggap nila. And at the same time, nagbabago rin yung ugali nila, 'di ba? So, yeah, ito yung kailangan mo ring i-check sa sarili mo na hindi porket umaangat ka, nagiging sikat ka, kumbaga papasok na yan sa ulo mo. Yes, the Eight of Pentacles is about working hard. I mean, you will be proud about what you achieve, no? Dahil pinaghirapan mo, pinagpaguran mo. Pero syempre, andun pa rin yung, humility. Na be humble sa iyong mga sinimulan, kung paano ka nagsimula, no? Kasi lahat naman tayo nagsimula sa baba. We are working our way up. And yes, we are being recognized sa mga achievements natin. But at the same time, we also have to be grounded. Now, your opportunity, the Five of Wands, competition talaga. So, mas magiging competitive ka. Ngayon, 2026, maaring meron kang gustong patunayan sa sarili mo, patunayan sa iba, na kaya mo. And you also have the Seven of Wands, which is about setting boundaries. Maari kasing may mga tao na tinitake advantage yung galing mo, yung kakayanan mo, yung talino mo, yung talento mo, kabaitan mo. Kaya you have the opportunity to, set that boundaries. Huwag mo hayaang i-take advantage ka ng iba. And focus on growth and focus on change. Ang Five of Wands is also about change. Meron lang ditong hindi ganun kakomportable na pagbabago. But ang ending rin naman nito is makakabuti sa'yo yung pagbabago na yan. That's why you have to be open to that change. Now, what's the blessing? Ano yung blessing ng mga Cancerian? Ooh, the Star. Ayan. The Star is wish fulfillment. This is also about healing. Ang blessing mo is magkakaroon ka ng maayos at malusog, no, na health. Maayos na kalusugan. That is a blessing. Kasi kapag healthy tayo, wala tayong sakit, matatag tayo, malakas tayo, marami tayong kayang gawin. 'Di ba? Oo. So, yun isa rin yung sa magiging focus mo. Maaring aayusin mo rin yung health conditions mo. And mas magiging mas magiging focus ka sa mga pangarap mo because the Star is also about your hopes, your dreams. Ayan. Let's see what else. Ano pa yung blessing? I feel like meron ka ring wish na matutupad. Oo. Merong wish fulfillment for you. In what area? 11th house. Oh, this is yung iba kung gusto nyong sumikat, no? Gusto nyong, let's say, you are a content creator, magkakaroon kayo ng certain following, or maaring, magkaroon ng recognition. Yan, mangyayari yan. And you have the Four of Pentacles. This is financial stability. This is also your blessing. I think when it comes to finances, hindi mo siya poproblemahin kasi you can provide, no, for yourself, for your family. And also, meron din ditong blessing of acquiring a property. So, pwedeng ikaw ay makakabili ng lupa, bahay, sasakyan. That is also your blessing. Let's see what else. For Cancerians. You have the Sun in Cancer in the 4th house, resourcefulness. Diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na ano man yung needs nyo, it will be provided para sa inyo. May kakayanan ka. Yung iba sa inyo, if you want to work from home, or yung tipong ang setup is kahit nasa bahay ka lang, kumikita ka, kayang-kaya mo yung gawin ngayong 2026. You also have restlessness. So, magiging very busy ka. Maaring marami kang kakausapin, mga pupuntahan, for work, for interview, for communication. So, medyo busy sa'yo ang 2026. Maraming ganap. Kasi nga, that's part of pagpapalago mo, no? You have flirtation. So, Venus in Sagittarius in the 9th house. So, if you are open to relationship, no? Kung single ka, open ka sa relationship ngayong 2026, merong makikilala ka. So, pwedeng foreigner to or long distance situation. Oo. And also, parang medyo mag-ingat lang, no? Kasi, pwede kasing hindi naman to ganun kaseryoso. Ang importante, nag-enjoy ka, no, sa relationship na to. And who knows, no, malay mo, maging rin to, seryoso. But, take precautionary measures, take care of your energies. But, it's going to be fun pagdating sa relationship para sa mga single dyan. And kung meron ka ng karelasyon, I think, yung connection mo with your person is mas magiging matatag dahil meron kayong mga activities na gagawin, fun activities na gagawin, na parang magpapatibay ng inyong samahan as partners. Networking power, ayan, meron kang kakayanan na magpalawak ng network mo, mga kakilala mo, or even sa marketing, sa social media, kung may business ka, mas mabilis mong mapapalago ang negosyo mo, or even yung certain following mo kung ikaw ay isang influencer. Long-term planning, yung iba sa inyo kasi pwedeng isa sa challenge ninyo ay hindi kayo nakakapagplano. Oo, pagdating sa career nyo, trabaho nyo, finances nyo. Kaya itong 2026 para sa inyo, china-challenge kayo na ano ba yung gusto mo bago matapos ang taon pagdating sa career, trabaho mo, kaperahan mo. So yun yung i-follow mo para makamtan mo, ma-achieve mo yung goal mo na yan for your finances. Let's see what else. Okay, rebelde. It's time to celebrate the fact that you don't fit in. Stand on your own 2 feet. Yes. So, ito yung pagiging independent, no? May partner ka man o wala, ang importante, meron kang sarili mong individuality na kaya mong magdesisyon para sa sarili mo at kaya mong you are responsible for your own actions at kaya mong gumawa ng mga major na decision na hindi na kailangang ipasa pa sa iba. Oo. So, mas magiging ka rin, expressive, mas authentic ka, mas totoo ka sa sarili mo. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.